Banitsa with spinach. A side dish from Bulgaria. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the cleaned and finely cut spinach in some of the butter. Step 2. After having cooled, stir in crumbled cheese and yogurt. Step 3. Knead a hard dough from the flour, oil, vinegar, salt, and water. Step 4. Roll into 5 sheets. 1 kilogram of ready rolled pastry sheets may also be used. Step 5. Line a baking dish with butter. Place 1 sheet on the bottom and top with a spinach filling. Step 6. Add a second sheet, filling, and so on. Step 7. Baste in a moderate oven. Step 8. The same recipe may be used for making banitsa with leeks. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.